my channel. What do you like for today? Hamburger? You have hamburger, ma'am.
Thank you.
$5, please. Hey, I don't need a helper today. I can manage. Thank you.
Where's the white?
Oh, $5. Oh, thank you. $5. My till is broken. Oh no, it's
You
not
like
working
pizza?
now. Do you like pizza?
Mama.
Okay, that's done. Why you're eating in front of my thing?
Your store. In front of your store.
Don't forget we also have chips.
Chippy. I'm Chippy.
You want a cheese one or just potato chips?
The
The
ketchup
Dorito?
one. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. You have to pay me, madam. Or else I'm gonna call the police.
Here you go.
Are you gonna pay for her? Thank you.
Wait, no!
I'm gonna be rich.
No! I'm not paying.
There you go.
I'll just
I need your PIN number, sir.
And also, I'm
531?
buying some.
531.
I want.
Hi! Welcome back to my
I want Dorito.
Dorito, sir. There you go. Do you want juice?
I want hamburger.
Juice.
I want hamburger. And corn.
There
I
you
want
go.
hamburger and corn. Hamburger and corn.
And a corn.
And corn.
There you go.
Thank you.
Sorry, your bun.
Oh, here's the
Your
Doritos.
bun, sir. Oh. Need to pay me, sir. $20. $20, please.
$20? I don't even want to choose though.
Oh, you're gonna get choked, sir. You need drinks.
Here you go.
$20. $20. Where's the zero?
There's no zero.
There's no zero on my till. Okay, let me put 22. Ding.
22. Okay.
Owie. Guys.
Bye.
Bye. See you later. Wow, a food truck is calling me. Let me see what they're selling today.
Need your feet on the pedals.
Because I have a big feet. I'm so heavy with this truck. Oh, your bun is there.
Hey, and maybe you don't need this. And maybe you don't need that. That's what I don't have on mine. You like pizza? Here, this is your money. This is your money.
Thank you.
What do you
What are you guys selling today? Oh, do you have hot dog?
This pizza. We have hot dog bun.
Hot dog bun only? Where's the hot dog?
I don't know.
Wait a second, Teddy. I need to order. Well, you're giving it to me. Hi. I want some burger, please, and corn. It looks yummy.
Here.
Mouth watering. And a juice.
And you also need a cupcake.
And I'm gonna also pay for the guy who's next to me.
What? Pay for me?
Yeah, I'm rich.
Close. Close. I want pizza.
Okay, this pizza is for the guy next to me. Can I have the cupcake, please?
What? I wanted the cupcake on me.
Thank you. Oh, I love my food. Bing. Oh dear. I think I need to walk. This bike is so big.
Yeah, you do.
So small for me. Ah! Thank you. I'm gonna have a picnic in the river landing.
And pizza, or you can
Yum
just...
yum 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 yum
Or you
yum.
can have like none of this, none. Like
Yum
take
yum
this
yum
off.
yum yum. Too low. Oh, yummy corn with butter on it. Yum, 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 yum.
Pizza.
Thank you, guys.
Guys.
Thank you.
Where's the pizza? Never get the pizza. Where's the
Don't
pizza?
forget to subscribe
Where's the pizza?
down below.